Hello friends, welcome to this video. In this video, we'll discuss about the order of evolution of a mathematical expression, which you must have learned in school days or college days. But with time, sometimes we tend to forget if we don't use something on day-to-day basis. So the intention of this video to refresh that knowledge. Okay, so let's start. So we'll see one example. I'll take you to the notepad++. So here, this is one random expressions I have written. And if you see, like it contains all the basic operations, what we encounter on day-to-day basis uh, in our program, say, or any mathematical stuffs we do. Okay, so what happens when we write a program in any language and we encounter this kind of expression? So we try to do a dry run basically, and suppose we want to write also some expression. So in that case, we need to have that understanding, like how the things gets executed in the back end, so that you can do a dry run in a proper way. Okay, you can see here bracket is there, exponential operation is there, modulo, division, multiplication, addition and subtraction, all these things are there. Okay, so uh, apart from that, other operations also there, like log and all. So let's not go there. I will try to understand this expression first. So if we say this, if we say this, like the execution doesn't start like from left to right, as we know. There are certain rules of order in which this expressions gets executed. So if we consider this expression, so let's discuss which one will get executed first and what is the order of other operations. Okay, so let me write here. So in this expression, you just remember, like in any expression, so just remember, in any expression, if that has any operation enclosed in a bracket, that has the highest priority. Okay, right here. Priority. So once this expression gets evaluated, then it comes to the exponential, the double star, mostly like in we'll see in the Python interpreter. So we write exponential operation with this operator, star operator, double star operator. This will have the second priority. Then we have here modulo, division and multiplication. Okay, so these three operators are having equal priority. And last, this expression, addition and subtraction. These two also are having equal priority. So when I say equal priority, that means like if your expression is having all the operations which is having equal priorities. Say for example here, like you have modulo, division and multiplication. So in this case, which will get executed first? So what it does, like it try to execute from left to right. First it will get evaluated this one, then this one, then multiplication. So similar also it goes for addition and subtraction. Okay, so let's try this to execute in an interpreter, Python interpreter I'll be using. So here what we'll do, we'll try to break this expression step by step and see which operation will execute first and which is last. Okay, so let's see the output first. You can see like you can see the output is 79. Okay, let me copy this expression, paste it here. So as we discussed, bracket or parenthesis is having the highest priority. So let's calculate this expression, which returns us -1 to -3 -1. Okay, same 79. Now what it will do? Now it will go for the exponential part. The bracket part is done. The next priority is the exponential. 2 to the power 3 is 8. Enter. Yeah. So same output. Now it will go to the multiplication, modulo, division. So here if we see in the expression, modulo is coming first. So that means it will execute this expression first, then it will execute this division part, then the multiplication part. So let me copy these things. So 3 modulo 5 will return us a 3. Okay. Enter 79. Then we'll go to the next step. Now this expression will get executed. 3 divided by -1. That is -3. Something we are dividing by -1. Okay. This expression gives us -3, and one more minus we have already. So minus into minus becomes +3. Okay. We enter 79. So next is multiplication, which is 21, and the final output is 79. Hope you got the idea. So sometimes when you encounter this kind of expression suddenly, so you just get confused, right, while doing the dry run. Okay, that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please share and subscribe this channel. Thank you.